Bloxham here from Bay House School. We're going to serve some brownies up now. I've got some brownies here, if you see in here. Some have been done with some Cadbury's cream eggs. First thing I'm going to do is make a piping bag. This is going to be the point here, round here. Pull it tight, then it's a nice sharp point. Push it down, roll it down. Either rip it or just roll it down. Then put the chocolate in here. I won't need a lot of chocolate. I've got about 2 or 3 spoons in one. This would look good with 2 types of chocolate, like light and dark, but I've only got one type. Roll it down. Cut it with the scissors. Get a paper towel. Leave a mess up as I go. Then we're going to get the cutter. So we're going to cut some of this. So there's a couple of ways here. Sometimes we can take it out. What I should have done, actually thinking about it, I put paper at the bottom. If I'd had some paper up the sides, I'd be able to lift it actually out, which would be better. So I'm just going to cut it down here and cut it along here at first. And with a fish slice, I'm going to get some out on the chopping board because I can cut it a bit neater then. So with a fish slice here, I've got a metal one here, might be better than a plastic one. Once I get a couple of bits out, as you can see, once I get a piece out, I'll put one piece on there like so. I'm going to get another type of plate out here as well, so I can serve 2 different portions up. Actually, I'm going to serve up the other type at the other end. Normally it'd be 1 portion per plate. So in the middle, I'm going to get 2 teaspoons first and decorate the plate. Any design you could have on here. With this here, seeing it's a white plate, I'm going to use the cocoa. So, teaspoon of cocoa, and this cocoa is not very dark for some reason, because I think it's because it's reduced fat cocoa, and it looks a little bit not quite dark as it normally is. So when I take these teaspoons away, you'll see it, but I'm also going to put some icing sugar in because it gives it like a tiny bit on here. So I'm not going to decorate that one anymore, but I'm going to take the teaspoons away, and it should leave a little bit of a design. You can put anything there. If it was somebody's birthday, you could do happy birthday. Now I'm going to cut one out here, but I'm going to get it out on my chopping board because I think I can cut it a little bit neater. Make sure there's no paper underneath. And I'm going to cut this little round one out here. Push one on here. Now I'm going to get some chocolate first. And I'm going to put about 3 or 4 eggs now. I've got some different colours. Maybe if you get a bigger cutter, maybe that's a bit tight, I'm not sure. Then we can go like this in here and that here. So, and then we've got some different designs here. Once that sets a bit, they won't fall off. Maybe a little bit bigger, or I could do 2 of them as a bit of a sandwich because it's quite thin, or slightly bigger, maybe a slightly bigger, depending how rich you want it. So that one's got the Cadbury's cream egg in, and that one's just got the little eggs on top. You could get little mini eggs, you could do anything you like. Thank you. That's Mr. Bloxham from Bay House School.